The next stock on my list is ADANIPORTS. We will try to evaluate ADANIPORTS against the criteria that we have put in for selection of our positional trading stocks. Okay. So the number one criteria that we had was, is the stock in clear long and medium term uptrend? And let's see if ADANIPORT satisfies our criteria. So the stock has gone up from around say 300 in June to now around 776, which is more than 2.5 times rise, which is quite a significant number. So the stock is clearly in a long-term uptrend. In a medium term, the stock is consolidating. If you see in the last 3 months or so, the stock was in the range of around 700 to 800, and even now it is in the same range. So the stock is consolidating for the last few months, which is good in a way, because once it breaks out of its consolidation, it will rise up very fast. And we have been hearing good news about ADANIPORTS for quite some time. So the first criteria is definitely met. The stock is in a clear long-term uptrend, and the stock is also in a medium-term consolidation, not like a real uptrend or so. Is the stock in momentum? Yes, the stock has been in a long-term momentum. I cannot say this about a medium-term momentum, but yes, in a long-term momentum, it definitely is. Good consolidation layer. Let's look at that. So there is a consolidation layer of around say 1.5 months or so. So if the price comes down, there will be a set of people who will be interested in buying this stock. So if you look at this, this is the big consolidation layer that the stock offers. So the price will not fall just like that. So this criteria is also met. Valid technical price pattern. What is the price pattern that we are talking about? So it is taking support of a trend line. If you see historically also, it has always taken support of this 22 EMA. And it is even close to it right now, which is good, because had it been far away from EMA, it would have made our entry a little more difficult. So this is fine. The technical pattern is making sense. Support of a valid trend line. Price decrease on low volume and price increase on high volume. The next criteria. Historically, the price has increased on higher volume. As you can see, the size of green candles is larger than the size of red candles. However, for the last 1.5 months, the size of red candles and the size of green candles has been almost similar. So in a medium term, this is not like validated. However, in a long term, it is validated. So I can say, can't say or something. The relative strength of stock with respect to Nifty. Nifty has been range bound for the last few months, and the stock has also been kind of range bound. So it is not like very, very strong. Relative strength is like, I can't say how strong it has been in a medium term perspective. Risk reward. The reward is good because I see this stock moving up till 900, because this was a failed breakout on a weekly chart. If I look at the weekly chart, then this is how it shows. All right. So it is forming a higher high and higher low right now. And on a weekly chart, on this week, there was a failed breakout, after which it came down, and now it has again started to go up. So the upside that I see on this stock is somewhere in the range of around 900 or so, which is around say 15%, 13 to 15%. And the downside which I see on this stock is somewhere around say maybe like 8 to 10% or so. So the risk reward on this stock is around 1:2.5 as well. And more, in fact, because I will not cut my complete trade once it reaches the price of around 900. I will hang on to it and maybe take partial cuts on this trade once I book some profit. And entry price, what should be the entry price? The open on Monday can be our entry price. In fact, even if it dips a little bit, that's fine. So we can add this stock between 750 to 775 or 780 region. And that's it. And thank you guys.